How to sign into Sam's Club Business Credit Card. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Then head over to samsclub.com. Once you are on this website, you want to tap on the menu option at the top of your screen. From here, you have the option of sign in. Tap on that. That is going to take you to the sign in portal. Here you will have to enter your email address. In case you have forgotten your email address, tap on the Forgot Email option. Then you will have to enter your membership number and zip code or phone number. Tap on the Continue option to retrieve your email address. Once you have entered your email address, tap on the second box to enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option. Then enter your email address and tap on the Continue option. From there, you will be able to reset your password. Once you have entered both the details, tap on the Sign In option. If you want to stay signed in, check this box. However, uncheck it if you are on a public computer or device. Once you have entered all the details correctly, you will be successfully signed into your account. In case you are already a member and want to register, you want to tap on the Register Your Membership option. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.